ngayon, there are about 88 Filipinos around the world who are facing death penalty. And we are trying our best, the government are trying our best through the Foreign Affairs Office to try to get that death penalty down. What do you think will happen to these Filipinos once we say, yes, let's impose a death penalty?
Ang sa atin po dito sa Pilipinas, ang problema po natin ay hindi po patas ang ating posisyon. Ang mga Pilipino sa labas ay pinapatay dahil sa mga krimen na kanilang nagawa kaparehas ng droga. Parehas po dito sa atin, dahil wala po tayong death penalty dito, hinahayaan po natin ang mga dayuhan na makaligtas ang kanilang buhay dahil wala po tayong death penalty.
Ngayon, kung na-impose tayo, nag-re-impose tayo ng death penalty, anong mangyayari dun sa 88 Filipinos na hatulan na kayo ay papatayin? Ano ang mangyayari sa posisyon ng gobyerno pag nag-reimpose sila ng death penalty dito, tapos hinihingi nila sa abroad na pwede ba huwag niyong patayin yung aming constituent o yung aming citizen?
Mukhang may dissonance doon, Maring Winnie.
Don't you think?
Anong mukhang iharap natin requesting our kababayan to be spared if tayo mismo naniniwala bilang bansa sa death penalty?
Personal ko.
Yes, of course.
Ang magiging feeling ko dito ay sasabihin ko na kailangan maging responsable sila sa krimen na kanilang ginawa.
Ayun.
Dahil kung dito nila ginawa sa Pilipinas, ang krimen na yan ay death penalty pa rin ang mangyayari sa kanila. Let that be lesson to the Filipinos na kailangang sundin natin ang batas.
Okay.
73% of those who were in death row back in the 90s were poor people. Kasi yung mga poor people ang vulnerable dito because they're the ones who cannot afford the services of a good lawyer.
Tingnan nyo, yung plunder, for example, death penalty, none of these people are ever going to be executed for death penalty, for plunder. Because who are the ones who are committing plunder? Government officials, hindi ba? Yung mga kasama ninyo. Do you think you will be able to impose death penalty and then you impose death penalty and they will be immediately pardoned by friends, the president? Do you think the president will have the ability to pardon people who are on the lower bracket of the income scale rather than the higher bracket, who he knows personally, he has dealt with?
Ang ating batas, ang paningin niya sa lahat ng tao, mayaman man o mahirap, ay pare-pareho.
Kaya
Pangalawa, masasabi ko rin na kahit mahirap ka man, ay may kasiguruhan at meron kang proteksyon sa batas.
Saan?
Sapagkat nandiyan dyan ang due process at nandiyan dyan ang equal protection law.
Ayan nga sa...
Number 3, gusto ko rin sabihin na kung parusang kamatayan, ang ating ay protektado din ang ating mga mamamayan sapagkat nire-review o nire-repaso ng Court of Appeals at ng Supreme Court ang mga desisyon ng mababang hukuman.
Kung ginahasa ang babae at hindi siya, she was not touched after that, hindi patay, hindi death penalty yon.
Hindi death penalty.
Okay. Kung ginahasa siya, tapos sinaksak siya ng isang beses, death penalty.
But death penalty, there is also an option, reclusion perpetua to death. Ibig sabihin, our court is not precluded imposing reclusion perpetua as against death. The court need not go directly to death. The court may impose reclusion perpetua.
Anong sasabihin nyo sa nanay o tatay ng biktima ng pagkagahasa na pinatay yung nagahasa? Sasabihin nyo, hindi pwede natin impose yung death penalty kasi, nakaka-violate ng human rights ng akusado.
Sa amin po, naiintindihan namin kung ano nararamdaman ng mga magulang na may mga anak na ginahasa, pinatay. I know every Filipino really fear for their security, really fear for their life.
Yeah, but how would you explain that to the parents? And the parents want to say, talagang dapat patayin yan, because they were they killed my daughter, etc., in such heinous circumstances.
Our take on that is, ang mga parents, ganun sila mag-isip because they have lost faith in our judiciary in delivering justice for them. That's why they resort to mga quick fix solution. Siguro ganun yung pakiramdam ng mga magulang kasi nawala na sila ng pag-asa sa hudikatura ng Pilipinas because it's slow, no, it's flawed, etc. But only if we're able to reestablish the integrity of the judicial system and ensure that it's able to deliver justice, I think people would start trusting again the judiciary rather than resort to a very vindictive na kind of mindset.
Do you believe that a person can change?
Yes.
Okay. But isn't imposing the death penalty
A denial of
a
that.
denial of that?
They have the chance because if they are convicted in accordance with law, their sentence could be commuted. Maaring pababaan for good behavior.
The only one who can compute a sentence is the president.
Yes.
You're giving the president that parang
That is his
power of life or death.
That is his obligation under the law.
We're a bit confused, Maring Winnie, because we're hearing mixed signals na parang, yes, we go for death penalty, pero don't worry, the president can commute that, or don't worry, there's a reclusion perpetua. So what's the whole point?
No, that's not the point. The whole point here is that they should answer for the crime that they committed. There is an appropriate punishment for them. The state is not left defenseless against heinous crimes, and there is enough protection for our people.
How do you put these two warring inconsistencies together? You said a person can change, but if you believe a person can change, then you must allow him to rehabilitate. But you do not allow him to rehabilitate because he has committed such a heinous crime, he's got to pay for it. Die.
Mariguini,
Oh.
yung death penalty naman ay hindi naman immediately executory. No? Ibig sabihin na pag ikaw ay pinatawan ng kamatayan ng husgado, mababang hukuman, insigida ay papatayin ka.
Oh.
It will take time dahil meron namang mga review, etc. In the process, itong mga commutation na ito, itong mga pardon dito, will only take place in exceptional cases. No? Exceptional. And that is something na kailangan patunayan at i-justify na exceptional ito. No? Dahil kung hindi, talagang will go na yung execution sa tao.
Okay.